operand is required. Binary means 2 operand is required, and ternary means 3 operand is required. So that's where we completed. So now today we are going to start next session, and before that we are going to see some assignment which is you stuck there. Okay. So that assignment we are going to check here. Now, so the to find the radius of circle, sorry, to find the circumference of circle. Okay, to find the circumference of circle and area of circle. To find the area and circumference of circle, and we know, so first of all we need a formula. Okay, for area of circle we know what is the formula. To find the area of circle, what is the formula? Yes, to find the area of circle, what is the formula for area to find the area of circle? Do you know or you forget? Slim, this is available in primary education, no? Hello.
Pi r square.
Okay, pi r square. Pi what? What square? Pi square. Yeah, okay. So the mathematical concept in which class you studied in USA? Uh, Mathematical concept means area of circle, circumference of circle, area of rectangle or something. So this concept in which class covered in the USA? In primary or secondary? Means class. No. Middle school. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Middle school. That is covered. Okay. So I think forget. So the circumference, okay, area of circle is pi r square, correct? Pi r square, correct? Pi into pi into pi into r into r. Okay, correct? Correct. So we can't write here the 2 in as a, you know, as a square. We can't write as a square here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This one. Pi pi into r into r. But what is the pi is what having the constant value. Agree? So we pi is having the constant value and the pi value is 3.14. Correct? Pi value is a constant, that is what 3.14. Right? So whenever you are going to multiply this fractional number, your answer is also comes in the fraction number. Correct? So if your answer is coming the fraction number, so you should have used the float data type. Okay, now I am going to use here the r is radius. Okay, I am going to use r is a radius, but whose data type should be what? Float. And you can take here 3 only, that is also no problem, because this is considered as a 3.0. Okay, so you can take as a integer and you can take as a float value, no problem, if you declare the float. Okay, because it's a combination of integer and float. If you declare like this way, that is also no problem, because it is considered as a 3.0. Okay, agree? So I am going to give the value of radius first. Okay, suppose I am giving the radius value is 3.5. Okay, now we need to find the area. So for area we are going to take one variable. Okay, you can take like this way. For area we need one variable. Okay, so for area I am going to take one variable. Again I am going to declare here. Okay, we can declare in the single line, no problem. So for area, okay, I am going to write of circle, area of circle. So if you use here the space, so it will give an error. Okay, because this should not be the variable name. So I am going to use here, this is the standard rule for writing the variable name. Okay, so let us declare this variable. Again I am to declare the circumference. Okay, this variable to store the circumference of circle. Okay, correct. Circumference, correct. Or you can use a short variable name, that's it. Now we have to write the formula. Okay, expression. What is that? A is equal to 3.14. We can't write like this way because the area of circle we use this variable, so we need to use this variable. Okay, so whatever the value is this one, it is going to store this one. Now 3.14 into r, this one. Okay, and if you written here the pi, so compiler doesn't know what is pi, it will gives you error what is pi. Okay, so that you have to declare here pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, correct. Now you can write like this way, or simply you can comment this one, and you can, instead of this one, you can write 3.14 directly. Okay, this also okay, no problem. Is this any doubt? Yes. Okay, now print area of circle is equal to this one. Okay, print because this is stored in this variable. Okay, okay, got it. So we found here area of circle. Now circumference of circle, what is the circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. What is the value of radius? Okay, that is take from the uh, that variable. Okay, so 2 pi r means what? Pi means you can directly write 3.14. Okay, or you can write here the pi in variable name, so you have to declare here float pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, you can declare like this way, or you can directly write 3.14, that's it. Now you got the formula, correct. Now you can print this one. Okay, use SOP statement and print the circumference of circle, that's it. Got it? Just idea I have provided to you, then you can write your own way. Once you know the one program, you can write the other program. For rectangle, for square, we can use integer value only. What is important? Logic. This one logic is required. You must have to know the formula for area, must have to know the formula for circumference. That's it. Okay, and rest of everything is okay. So, do you know whatever I am written here, this is known as the logic. Okay, got it? Whatever I have written here, this is known as logic. Okay, this is known as logic. I have not written this code in any particular programming language. Got it my point? I have not written this code in particular programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. I have not written. Okay? It's a just a logic. And now tell me, in every programming we can use the same thing. If you are using the Java, then float data type you are using. If you are using the Python, then this one not you are going to use. Float, you can miss the float, that's it. Rest of everything will be the same because we are not going to declare the data type in the Python, that's it. But in C, C++, Java, okay, and other programming language, this rest of all are same. Just what is difference? The print. If you using the C programming language, then you can use your printf. If you are using the C++, then you can use your C out statement. If you are using the Java, then you are writing here system.out.println. That's it. If you are using the Python, then you are not using here float. We only use only the print. That's it. What is? Saying that everything same is just the syntax, right? Yes, same. Yes. Only the syntax of the other program language is different. Logic never change. See. Okay. You are living in USA. I am living in India. But you are the human being. Our languages are different, our syntax are different, but we are telling the same thing. Okay, same thing, we are eating same, we are, yeah, but our syntax are different. Okay, that may be syntax, our syntax will be different, but ultimately we are doing the same thing. This will be never change. Okay, this will be never change, this is universal. Time zone, you wake up. Yeah, this is they never change, logic never change, a plus b never change. Correct? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, never change. Correct na? This is the logic. Area of circle never change. statement is never changed, this formula is never changed. Okay, so this is one means if you are using Python, then you only use a print. So the syntax, sometimes the syntax may be different. In Python we are not going to use float, that's it. Okay, now the same code you can use in the Python. Okay, that's it. This same is the code is ready for Python now. Now if you using this one, now code is ready for C, C++, Java, okay, and every programming language. If you are using C, then use your printf. If you are using C++, then you have to use your cout. Okay, if you are using the Java, then you are using the system.out.println. The syntax may be different. Okay, then in C language you can use a %d for integer. In Java we are directly use the concatenation plus sign, that's it. Okay, this logic is never changed. Why it going to be changed? Only syntax. Your writing way will be different, my writing way will be the different, but ultimately our goal is same. Okay, that is the logic. This is the logic. Now you can share this logic in your programming language. Which programming language you are learning now? Java. You can share this code in your Java programming language. Okay, you have to share this code in your Java programming language so that your compiler get understand what you are writing. Okay, what you are writing, your compiler get understand, because your Java compiler do not understand print. Okay, he understand only system.out.println, correct? Huh.
Yes.
So I think you got this one, and just complete your rest of the assignments. Okay, can you complete your rest of the assignment to find rectangle, square, everything? Are you able to do that? Yes. Hello, can you able to do that one?
I will try if I'm stuck.
It's
I will
very
try.
easy.
If I'm stuck, I will.
Okay, it is very easy. See, what you need to find, area of rectangle. So for rectangle, how many sides are there? Two side, right? For rectangle, two side, right? Na, length and breadth, correct? So for length, you can take the
Yes.
one variable. For breadth, you can take the two variable. Two variable. Okay, two variable for length and breadth. We have to assign the value for length and breadth. Then we need to calculate the area of rectangle. So if you then we have to take one variable to store the area of rectangle. Then you have to find the perimeter of rectangle. So we have to take the one variable to store the perimeter of rectangle. You have to use the formula and you have to print that one. That's it. What we taken here? We are assigning the value, return the formula, storing to the another variable, then we are printing. Again, we are for circumference, we are written the formula. Okay, this r is taken from this one. You can change the value and you can print here. Okay, and we are going to store here and we are going to print here. That's it. Very simple. Okay, try for other things. Is it okay? Have you understand this
Yeah,
one?
I'll try.
Yeah, all clear?
I understand the concept, but I have to put in work. But we can continue for now.
Okay, you haven't written code.
No, I haven't written anything yet.
Okay, but you understand this one. Then how we can write the code? You understand or not?
Yeah, because I have to call the radius and all this kind of stuff.
Correct.
Radius and
So the rest of all the program are same. Just expression are changing. Just formulas are get changed. That's it. Rest of all are same. In radius, in circle, we need only one thing. That is what radius. But in rectangle, we need two things. That is length and breadth. But in the square, we need only one thing. That is side. Okay, we need only the side. Correct. Only one variable is required. Matlab means side only. That's it. Okay. So understand the formula, then you can understand well. Now, next one, today we are going to see the next topic. Okay, that is what control statement. That is very, very important. Okay, control statement. Okay, before starting this control statement, your logic will be good for arithmetical expression, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, that is very, very important. So whatever I have provided these assignments, that should be help out here. Okay, if you know the assignments how we are going to performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, then and then you can understand this control statement, otherwise you can't. So that's why my suggestion is what, always do the assignment, do the practice for programming, you understand yourself and write by yourself. Okay, program first few days you can write the program by seeing, no problem, but understand, if you understand the concept without seeing you can write the code. Okay, you can start with to print your name, addition of two number, three number, five number, then do the some extra formula, that is what circumference of circle, etc, etc. Okay, so now the control statement looping, we are going to check here control statement, what are the control statement. So control statement used for the control statement is what, to check the conditional statement. Okay, conditional, suppose person age is equal to 18 and he is, so that he is get eligible to 8, so that means it's a condition, correct. If the person age should be 18 or greater than 18, that means he is eligible. Okay, so without control statement we have written this one in the last class, we have seen yesterday, what, ternary operator. Using only ternary operator we can also identify the control statement. Okay, if you don't want to use the if statement, then you can use this one, and yesterday I have told to you, today we are going to see that if statement. Okay, and this is what is control statements. If, then, if else. Okay, then nested if else. Okay, these are the syntax, Java statements. Okay, keywords we can say. So this will be understand to the Java compiler. Okay, then switch case. So these all are the basic while writing the code in the automation. These all are the basic, and whatever we have seen operators, all operators and control statements and looping statement is common for all program. Okay, in every automation script that you will get the expression, then you can use this if else or nested if else or switch statement, we must have to use. Okay, based on the requirement. So that's why these are the very very important, because this is the basic. Okay, all operators, arithmetical, logical, all operator you have to know, all operator you must have to know. Okay, all operator control statement you must have to know. Okay, that is what condition. If is greater than this one, then what to do. Okay, if your session time is 30 seconds, then user should be log out. Okay, we need to do the automation, then you have to put the condition. If session time is not greater than 30, okay, if session time is greater than 30, then user should be log out automatically, right. So for this one we must have to write a control statement. So this is very very important in the real time. All operators and control statement and looping, that's it. In every program you will get the same thing. In every program automation script we must have you sometimes conditional, sometimes loop, sometimes operators. Okay, based on the requirement. So how many control statements are here? There are four. Okay, the same thing is available in C, C++, Java. Okay, same thing in Python also, same thing is available. So if you know the one programming language now, so you can understand all programming language. Okay, what is the difference? Only the syntax, the way, writing way, but logic never change. Okay, logic never change. Okay, suppose you are writing a is equal to a plus b. Okay, this is known as logic. The same thing you can write C, C++, any programming language you can write the same thing. That's it. Okay, any programming language we must have to write the same thing. This the logic will not going to change. But what is going to be changed? Syntax. Okay, only syntax will get changed. But this is the statement is universal in every programming language, whether you are learning C, C++, Java, Python, everything. Okay, the statement is same. The same statement you can write in any every programming language, every. Got it my point? Only syntax will be different. Sometimes programming language you must have to write the data type, integer, etc. etc. Some programming language no need to have to use data type. For example, Python, no need to write data type. Okay? And this the control statement all the same for all programming. Okay, this is also this concept is also available in all programming language. If you know the C, if else also available in C++, this is also available in Java, also available, Python is also available, PHP also available. Okay, that's why I'm saying if you know the one programming language very well, so you can understand all programming language. What you need to understand, then again we need to understand only the syntax, that's it, or different way. So now let us say the first one, if statement. Okay, use of the if statement. So if the condition is true, then the block of the statement will get executed. Okay, so this is what the if statement. Suppose the syntax I am going to write here, the syntax for the if statement. Okay, syntax. If, then inside that one you have to write the condition. Okay, then we need to write the block. Okay, this one. Okay, then in the block we have to write the statement. We can write the multiple statements also, no problem. Not a single statement, you can write multiple statements. Okay, let's say I am using the yes here, statements, that's it. Okay, this is what use of the if statement. Okay, if the condition is true, then and then these statements get executed. If the condition is get false, then it comes out of the statement. Okay, so if statement, if condition, if you want to check if the age is greater than person 18, then this statement will get executed. If this condition is not satisfied, then this is skip. Okay, this is skip, nothing is going to execute, this is skip. Other statement in the program will get executed. Okay, okay, let's see the program so that you can understand well. Okay, let's go to here. Let me create one package, that is what daily one. Sorry, day 12. Create now one class. Writing here if condition demo. Click on public static void main. Okay. Yeah, so let me also increase the font size for you guys. Okay. Okay. Now it's visible, all this code, text, text are visible now. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So again I need to increase or okay,
It's fine with me.
it's fine now. Okay. Now, so if condition. So yesterday I see we see one program. If the condition is false, then should have to display. If false, then nothing. Okay. So if condition, see the syntax is what? If. So percentage. So I am going to write here one variable. Okay. Person underscore age. It's a name of variable. You can take any. Okay. Is equal to something value I am writing 25. Okay. And this is percentage should be in integer type, so I'm defining data type as a integer. Okay, so now I'm to check whether the percentage is equal to 18 or greater than 18. That means he is eligible to vote. Okay, so now in that condition we need to write like this way. Okay, so in the condition what we need to write, if the person age, okay, person age is greater than or equal to 18, so that this person is eligible to vote. Correct? This is our condition, right or wrong? Okay, so yesterday we have seen this program without using the if statement. Correct? I have told you sometimes the interviewer will ask you the question, if you want to find the person is eligible for voting or not. Okay, without using the if statement, can you write that code? Yes, of course, by using the ternary operator. Okay, we can use the ternary operator. So the condition first we can write, then we can use here what is a string data type is eligible and not eligible. If the condition is true, it will provide the eligible text. If now condition false, not eligible. Okay, that we also seen in the last class. Now but if condition, how we can write, what is the statement syntax for the if? We must have to write the if keyword. If should be small. Okay, small, yeah, because if is a keyword in Java. Int is a keyword in Java. Public is a keyword. Static is a keyword. Void is also keyword. Main is keyword. String is keyword. Okay, everything is a keyword in Java. Okay, so because this is understand by the Java. Okay, this is the name. This is the name which we have given by user. Okay, but these things are readable by understandable by the Java compiler. Okay, so here the condition we must have to give. Okay, the condition. So what is the condition here? This one. This is the condition. If the person age is greater than or equal to is 18, then we can print one message. What message? The person is eligible to vote. Correct? So to print a message, what we need to write here? System.out.println. Right? System.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. Okay. So we need to display the one message. That is what person is eligible to vote. Okay, whatever the customized message you want to display, you can display. Person is eligible to vote. Okay, person is eligible to vote. That's it. Okay, now how the execution is done. Okay, how the execution will be done. Okay, this is the main. Now see, what is the value of person age? What is the value of person age? What is the value of person age variable now in the program? 25. So when you execute this code, the terminal is go in this line. Sorry, not go. So it is directly go to the main function. Whenever you execute the code, it is go to the main function. Okay. So it will terminal goes here, then it's come down and will check integer person underscore age. That will be read. Okay. So person underscore age is a type is integer and is reading 725 value. Then it's come here. So if, and inside it will check if person underscore age whether it is available in the program or not. Yes, this variable is available. Okay, yeah. Then what is the value of that variable is 25. Okay, that is 25. So 25 is greater than 18. True or false? Yeah. True. That means it comes under here inside the block of if. Okay, inside the if block. Correct. So it will display the person is eligible to vote. Correct. Right. You can check here. Now what I have directly written at 25 instead of writing the person is variable name. Okay, so it will display the output what person is eligible to vote. Correct. See here, person is eligible to vote. If you write person underscore age here, or you can write directly 25, that is doesn't matter. But for better programming I am writing here like this way. Okay, see what is the value of person underscore age is 25. If person underscore age is greater than 18, if it is true, then and then the statement block of statement of if will get executed. Okay, and this is the other statement in the program. Okay, system dot out dot println. This is the no impact of if statement, whether it is condition get true or false, there is a no impact. Okay, in this statement. Other statements. Okay, this is the other statement in the program. The condition get false or true, but this statement is always executed. Other statement in the program, because this is the inside the if. Okay, and what if says if the condition is true, then and then this statement will get executed. If the condition is false, then it will not execute. Now tell me what will be the output. Now what will be the output? Yes.
Since the 25 is greater, so it's going to be true.
So what is the currently value of percentage variable?
It's 25. No, it's 5.
Okay, it's 5. So condition is going to become a true or false?
It's false.
This condition is not satisfied, correct?
Yes, yes,
So condition is not satisfied, that means the it will skip this block, correct?
yes.
Then what will get the output?
Uh, the, the output for the next one,
Yes. So only this statement get executed, right?
the other statement in the program.
Correct?
Yeah.
Why this is executing? Because this statement is false. If this statement is false or true, there is a no impact on these statements because this is the outside the if block. Okay, this is available in the main program. Okay, this is available, this statement is available inside the if. Okay, this is available inside the if, correct? So when the terminal comes in the here, whenever the condition if condition gets satisfied, if the if condition gets satisfied, then it is comes under the this block. Okay, otherwise not comes under the this block. That's it. Now the condition is unsatisfied, so this is the skip this block, correct? And this is directly comes to the here. If the condition is get satisfying, then it is executing the if statement, otherwise it will skip. That's it. See, if the condition is true now, then it is executing this statement, correct? And this is the other statement in the program. Are you getting? Understanding? This is the use of if statement. What do you understand about the if statement? Yes. What do you understand about the if statement? What do you understand? Tell me.
basically it's a mock that is if it's not there to print the next one. So it's a condition, right? So the
If the condition inside the if statement is get satisfied, then ha, if the condition inside the if statement gets satisfied, then statements inside the if block get executed. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied in the if condition, then this block will get skip. Okay, and terminal goes outside. Okay, got it? If condition is true or satisfied, then block of if statement get executed. Okay, block of if statement get executed. Okay, just hold on. Hello, कुठे कुठे नाही माझ्याकडे काहीच नाही नाही तो गाडीचं काहीच नाही मी तर आता बसून क्लास घेऊन राहिलो हा 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 ठीक आहे hello yeah if the condition is true if the condition is true or satisfied then the block of if statement get executed correct then if condition is false or unsatisfied then block of if statement get skip. Okay, if statement get skip and terminal goes to next statement. Okay, now you understood in the program. Okay, that's it. Got it?
yes.
If the condition is true, then it will execute it. If the condition is get false, it will not execute. That's it.
Like when you have over there says like 5 is greater than 18, so we skip the 5.
Hmm.
Go get go to the 18 and bring out the other statement in the first
Yeah.
program.
So this is execute. This is true. That's why it is printing. Okay. If this condition is get false, suppose I am using this one, so it's not going to execute this one. Okay. So you will not get any output on the program. Let's see. No output in the program. Nothing output. But there is no error. Okay. There is a no output in the program.
Here they will never give you even an error.
Yeah. Because everything is okay. He understand what you are telling. Okay. The Java is understand everything. Yes. So because this statement is false, no, that's why it's not getting the error. Sorry, it's not printing this one. If the condition is true, then it is terminal comes under the here. And now it is directly jump to the outside. Okay, this is what condition is
Because since
unsatisfied.
is a if condition, right?
Conditional statement. If this conditional is get unsatisfied, this is skip this one and it will jump to the other. Okay, it will jump after the if statement. Okay, it will jump after the if statement. Got it? This is about if statement. Now, what is the use of if else? If statement is used for to check the condition true. Okay, then it will execute it. Okay, or it is false, then it is skip. That's it. If it is false, then it is skip. है ना? So, if else is what? If else, if the condition is satisfied, then if statement is executed. If condition is not satisfied, then else block will execute it. Okay, else block will be executed. Now let us see. First I'm going to show you here if else statement. Okay, next one is if else statement. Okay, if else statement. So what is the syntax for the if else statement? See the syntax. Okay, so here if, you know, if, okay, how we can write if, then we can write here the condition inside the if. Okay, then we have the block of statement. Okay, something the statement you can write here. Okay, correct. You can write single statement, you can write a multiple statement, no problem. Okay, the condition is what? If this condition is get true or false, sorry, true or satisfied, then all other statement will get executed inside, which is available inside the if. Okay.
Your voice is very static.
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. It's clear.
Okay. Yes, clear now.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. You can see here the statement one and statements two. Okay. For understanding purpose, I'm writing here this one. Okay. So now let us see what is the difference between if and else. If the condition get true, okay, or satisfied, then it will skip the else block. Got it? Because if is joined with the else. Okay, if is always joined with the else. Okay, if else, it's a statement, it's a conditional statement. Okay, if else, we seen here what? If statement. Then we see here if else statement. Okay, we are going to see here what? If else. So what is different between the if and if else? So if statement is used to check the condition, and if the condition is satisfied, then the statement inside the if block get executed. If the condition is unsatisfied, then it will skip. Okay, and the other statement in the program will get executed. Okay, if the condition inside the condition inside if condition is true, suppose, then the block of statement of if is get executed. For example, okay, if the condition is greater than a okay, 10 is greater than 5, okay, this condition is true, so only this inside the if statement will get executed. Okay, now sometimes this condition is unsatisfied. Okay, if the condition is unsatisfied, then it will jump to the else statement. Okay, it will jump to the else statement, then this statement will get executed. Okay, now let us see the program. If condition is true, the if block executed. If it is false, then else block will execute. That's it. Else block will execute. Okay, so now okay, to give here name if else statement, the name. Okay, name, writing here else if else condition demo. Okay, just click on finish. Okay, if else condition demo. Okay, if else condition demo. So now we need to use here, suppose the same in this program that we have used, integer person age. Okay, person age, suppose we have 25. In previous example what we did, the person age is 5, so the condition is unsatisfied and we are not getting any kind of the output. Suppose if the condition is get false, so we also need something output, so then you can use your if else statement. Okay, so first of all you use here the if person underscore age is greater than is equal to 18. Okay, this is what is condition. If this person age is greater than or equal to 18, if it is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so this is eligible for vote. Okay, I want to print one message, print ln that person is eligible to vote. Okay, person is okay. So if the condition is get satisfied, then you will get the such a output. And now here the condition is already satisfied. Okay, but what will happen if the condition is not satisfied? For example, it's a 5. So you will not get the any kind of output. Okay, because this condition is unsatisfied and it is going to skip this block. Okay, this block is skipped because this condition is unsatisfied, so it will not comes under here. Okay, whenever is the condition is satisfied, then this is comes under. So now what you want to display, your age is 5, so you are not eligible to vote. Okay, I want to display this message, you are not eligible to vote, correct? So for that purpose we are going to use here the else block. Okay, that is what else block, you are not eligible to vote. Okay, right? So what I'm going to write, just copying this statement from here and just paste here, and person is not eligible to vote, that's it. So now understand what is the what happen here. If this condition is satisfied, then this statement will get executed. Okay, if this condition is unsatisfied, then this block will get executed. Agree? This is the else block. This is known as if else statement. If the condition is true, then it will be executed, then skip the else block. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied, then skip this one and execute this one. Yes, are you understanding? So from the both of this one, only one statement you will get executed in the output.
Satisfactory
Yeah, so in yeah, in if condition only one thing you are getting. If the condition is true, then you will get the output. If the condition is not true, then skip. But here either or. Okay, it is having the either or. So now we can give here, we can run here. So which block is executing now? Else block. Person is not eligible to vote, correct? Person is not eligible to it. Person is not eligible to vote. Okay, this is what else block is get executed. Now suppose I have put here 25. Now which block will get execute? If block will get execute. Person is eligible to vote. Okay, here person is eligible to vote. That means it's depend upon the if condition. Okay, the condition which you have written inside the if, the condition which is you are written inside the if it is true, then it will comes under here, this will execute. If it is false, then it goes to the else block. That's it. Got it? Yes. Okay, that's it about if and else statement. So for notes I am giving here. Okay, if condition is true or satisfied, then if block get executed. Okay, if block means this one, this is the block. Okay, you see here, what is that? Only this one, you can say the block. Block means this one, open and close. Okay, see, these are the block. Okay, block, you can say as a block. So if the condition is true or satisfied, then if block get executed. Okay, okay, if and else block and skip the else block. Okay, skip the else block. Here, if the condition is true, then if block get executed and skip the else block. If the condition is false or if the condition is false or unsatisfied, then else block get executed. Okay, and which will skip here and skip the if block. Okay, see this statement. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then this statement will execute, if block. If the condition is unsatisfied, then if else statement will get executed. Okay, it is satisfying, that means this is executing. If this is not satisfied, that means it will get executed. Okay, so I am giving you assignment based on this if else. Okay, I am giving you the assignments now. For if statement, conditional block or if statement. Okay, for if statement you have to provide it to check number is greater among the two number. Okay, okay, this is for if and this is for if else. Same code, huh? Code will be the same. If else. Okay, this one. Yeah, so this is our assignments. We must have to do the assignment. Okay, so see you on tomorrow, not tomorrow all day, day after tomorrow. Okay, and today is your evening, na? So in morning, not, for it's